Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Investors are taking notice of Microsoft's slowdown in data center projects worldwide, and one company that's squarely on the crosshairs is Supermicro, a top AI server vendor. Microsoft's move to step back on multiple data center projects has raised doubts about the speed of artificial intelligence infrastructure development. This change has investor concerns, particularly when it comes to companies like Supermicro, whose growth narrative is tightly linked with the capital expenditure of hyperscalers. Supermicro develops energy-efficient servers for AI, cloud, and enterprise data centers. They're a US-based company that serves big-name hyperscalers, directly benefiting from AI-driven infrastructure expenses. With a market capitalization worth $19.2 billion, SMCI shares have been incredibly volatile, jumping from a 52-week low of $17.25 to a peak of $102.23 before backing down recently. Despite the volatility, Supermicro has posted strong earnings numbers for early Q2 fiscal 2025. The company expects revenue between $5.6 billion and $5.7 billion in the next quarter, representing a 54% year-over-year growth at the midpoint. However, profitability began to plateau, with GAAP EPS staying the same as the previous year. As of Dec. 31, 2024, SMCI had a cash position of $1.4 billion and a debt position of $1.9 billion, including $1.7 billion in convertible notes. The company's aggressive growth plans are funded by this capital position, which includes becoming the leading supplier of direct liquid cooling technology for future data centers. Looking ahead, Supermicro issued Q3 FY 2025 guidance with revenue between $5 billion and $6 billion, GAAP EPS of 36 cents and 53 cents, and non-GAAP EPS of 46 cents and 62 cents. The company revised its full calendar year revenue guidance from $26 billion to $30 billion, down to $23.5 billion to $25 billion, due to timing revisions in AI server demand and architecture changes. Now, when it comes to analyst expectations for Supermicro stock, there's a mixed sentiment. Out of 14 covering analysts, SMCI has a hold consensus recommendation with an average grade of 3.29 out of 5. While some analysts have lifted their sentiment slightly over the past month, concerns over future earnings stability remain. At Microsoft Sphere, we're tracking this story closely. We'll keep you updated on any changes in Supermicro's performance and market trends. In the meantime, if you have questions or opinions about SMCI stock, be sure to join our community and share your thoughts.